Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the REE board examination. So yung problem natin is the area enclosed by the ellipse 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 36 is revolved about the line x is equal to 3. So what is the volume generated by what is the volume generated? Okay, let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So yung equation ng ellipse natin is 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 36. So simplify lang natin to. So divide both side by 36. So we have 4x squared plus 9y squared all over 36 is equal to 36 over 36. So therefore we have x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 is equal to 1. We can also express this equation we can also express this equation in this form. X squared over 3 squared plus y squared over 2 squared is equal to 1. Where yung E natin is 3, that is our semi-major axis. So therefore, 2E is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. That is our major axis. And then we have B is equal to 2. That is our semi-minor axis. So that is 2B is equal to 2 times 2. That is equal to 4. That is our minor axis. Okay, let's plot the equation. Let's plot the curve in our Cartesian plane. So this is our x and y axis. So in the x-axis we have x is equal to 3 and x is equal to -3. So therefore, yung distance from this point to this point is our major axis. So that is 3 minus -3. That is equal to 6. So that is our major axis. And then for our y-axis, that we have y is equal to 2 and y is equal to -2. So from this, yung distance natin from this point to this point is our minor axis. So 2 minus -2, that is equal to 4. So this is our minor axis. So through this point, makakabuo tayo ng isang elliptical or isang ellipse. Sabi sa problem, yung ellipse daw natin is i-revolve daw natin about the line x is equal to 3. So ito yung line natin. X is equal to 3. So therefore, dito natin siya i-revolve. So pag in-revolve daw natin siya dito sa line na to, ano daw yung magiging volume generated? So using the Pappus theorem formula, so B is equal to 2 pi ZE, kung saan yung E natin is the area of our ellipse. So yung area ng ellipse is pi EB, that is equal to pi times E natin which is 3 times B natin which is 2. So we have pi times 3 times 2, that is 6 pi. And then yung Z natin is yung distance from the center of the ellipse to the point or to the line of revolution. So yung line of revolution natin from the center is equal to 3. So substitute, B is equal to 2 pi ZE. So we have 2 pi times Z natin which is 3 times E natin which is 6 pi. So 2 pi times 3 times 6 pi. So using your calculator, so 2 pi times 3 times 6 pi, that is equal to 355.3 cubic units. So therefore, ito yung ating final answer. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.